running rubber.
Yeah,
they're
but
running away.
they both got this really shit though.
Everyone else got it though.
Did they actually?
Yeah, everyone was like,
I
how could you
believe
look at
it.
that? Hi, Blake.
Hi,
what's
Malik.
up?
What the fuck is going on here? We're talking
We're
about
talking
playing
Gartic Phone.
Gartic Phone.
Guys, let's play Gartic Phone one day.
It's free
Yeah,
anyway.
recommend me some games to play for my new PC. I'm thinking It Takes Two. Do you guys want to see us play It Takes Two together? Yes or no? I think it'll be a bit of... we'll never progress though.
Is it horror or is it just?
No, it's just
puzzle?
a co-op game.
Oh.
And then you just work together to go to like to finish your goal.
Okay, let's play it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You might need better
Team's
PC.
computer.
Yeah.
All right. Well, would you guys like to watch that?
Yeah.
Would that be good content? What the fuck is going on here? I don't know. Open floor. What kind of thing? We won't go into the
yeah,
details
don't worry
about
about
that. You guys playing It Takes Two. League of Legends.
It'll be hilarious. Yeah, I think it'll be funny, but also painful.
Sounds like it would be frustrating to watch. Yes, you can't. Fuck you, Blake. Wait, is it hard?
It's not meant to be a kids game.
Then what makes you guys think it'll be
But
frustrating
it looks
to
a bit
watch?
hard when I was watching it.
Oh, really?
When I looked at what the things are doing, I was like, oh, it's a bit hard.
I think if it's a kids game, we can do it.
It's really cool. It looks like Pixar.
Oh, is that like high animations? Like
Yeah. It's like, it looks cool.
I think Tim talked about wanting to play it too, though.
Oh, really? Let's
Yeah.
all play it.
Yeah.
I think you would need his help anyway.
Excuse me.
So we should all play it.
We were talking about playing Outlast. Would you guys watch us play Outlast?
I'm a bit scared to play Outlast though.
Yeah, it's a bit scary. It's really
Yeah.
scary.
Oh, whoops. Sorry about that.
Yeah, it requires cooperation. We don't want to see enemies, please.
It's easy for kids, but for you guys,
Fuck you, Blake.
can't trust it.
Let me see how it is. Time for my sleeping schedule to be ruined.
No, it's okay. You can go to sleep. How's life after graduation? I feel like I never heard from you since you graduated.
What do
I
people
thought
do
you've been busy.
after graduation?
Travel. Normally.
Oh, I guess I could. Yeah, can't you go to different states in America?
They get jobs.
Fuck you, Blake. What does your name even say? What's the Chinese
How do you mean
character?
bleak?
Wow.
Or like something like that. I asked him last time.
Why do you like such dim meaning
Yeah.
things?
It's not the same year anymore. It should be
Bright year.
bright year. Cry and fuck up.
in
That sounds
years.
about right.
That's literally
Yeah.
my life.
Sounds about right. I mean, there's so many mods.
Oh yeah, that's true.
But who do you have? Isn't it just Pav here?
Is Blake a mod? No, he wouldn't
No,
be a
he's
mod.
not. I've been studying over algorithm and preparing for code interviews, but other than that, not much.
Well, I
Playing
thought
Classic World of
Pony already
Warcraft.
got a job.
Oh yeah, didn't you already have an offer somewhere?
Oh my god, hello Alaru.
Oh, hi, John.
Is
Where's
John
he?
here?
Mod, me and I ban everyone. It's
For the screw you. That was in Germany.
Ah,
Oh, you got a job in
yeah,
I would go
go
there.
there, honestly.
I
I guess
pay
you
for you
miss
to
your
move.
friends.
Dude, you should get a job in Australia.
Yeah,
you
go
can
shop.
Be,
Yeah,
you can be roommates with us.
Oh my god, I think we'll be great roommates. Hi Peter, what's up?
Oh, hey. What's that emote John used? What is this? Who are you watching?
I don't know. Oh, John's a mod. I didn't realize. I don't think he's a mod on my channel.
How was your Brisbane trip, Peter? Wait, he went to Brisbane.
Yeah,
right?
he did. my first
What's
job,
wrong
I
with
know.
being? But you won't be foreign because you'll have your
Yeah.
two best buddies here.
Yeah, we'll help you out. We'll let you know everything.
Yeah. We'll have Tim Tams and watch koalas every night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't Germany just a cooler? No, I think Germany's not like Australia at all, right? Doesn't
No,
sound like it would
Germany
be.
is like
So
totally different.
Yeah. What's good? Just before. Oh, yeah. That's true.
Don't want to flex too much, but I'm a modern. Wait, what?
Wait, what? Really? Oh, no. I think we made it.
Oh, because we.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
That's the biggest flex. Miso, Lays, Fang- Oh, you do have so many. Lol. I didn't even realize.
Who's
Hendrix?
Who is Hendrix?
Is that Kevin? He changed his name to Hendrix.
Oh, did he?
Is that awesome?
Oh, yeah, I do remember making Kevin my mod though.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
didn't realize he changed his name to Hendrix though. I thought he was like something else.
I think it was Kevin. the guy who always like came in and he was like, I pay $10 to do like a bungee jump thing.
It was open floor.
I'll change my name later when I can.
You can't change it back, right? For 6
I
months.
can't
can't change mine.
I have to wait another like 4 or 5 months for
Yeah.
it. Sorry guys. I'm really
No one take our names, please.
study service.
What, already? Wait, did someone take it?
How?
Bitch, I told you guys not to take it. Hello.